So today I'm gonna do a quick get ready hair extensions with me with full shine. Look at this, so beautiful, 7 pieces. I will be applying maybe not the whole entire 7 pieces because this is a lot of hair. I really want it to look natural, pretty full, just to have a nice full set of hair extension. It's perfect for vacation, for an occasion, just to have that nice look. I do love that it's darker in the top, a little bit lighter here, so it's like an ombre. So beautiful. I love the way it feels. It does have like that nice shine. I think it's close to my shade. I believe it goes well. Let's see how, I think it goes well with my skin tone as well. So keep on watching, and yeah, hair extensions. Hi and welcome. My name is Vanessa, beauty, skincare, and lifestyle, all about it. In today's video, just like what my description says down below, all about hair extensions. Now, I am showing you the before. So this is what my hair looks like. Messy, hair shampoo, getting my hair prepped and ready to place some extensions. Now, I did have a bit of a thinning going on. I lost some weight. So as you lose weight, you lose a lot in your body because you're restraining yourself from proteins and a lot of the healthy vitamins that you're losing. So you lose muscle and the consequences of thinning hair. So I am actually restoring it back because now I'm going back to the gym. I am lifting weights. I'm eating healthier, and I am incorporating a lot of protein in my diet. So my hair texture is, you know, thin. It's a little bit in the drying, then it gets oily. So the hair shampoo just helps a little bit of the texture for the hair extensions to hold in place. I'm not a professional. Absolutely not. I am not a professional in anything that I do on my channel. I am just a professional on myself. So there's no certificate, there's no title, there's no degree, none of that. It's loving my skin and reviewing products that I'm absolutely going to love. Now, this length is actually growing. My hair is actually growing, but it's thicker here and it's like thinning here. So I need to always get a trim. So my hair doesn't really grow. And if it does grow, it just thins out. So it's that type of hair. Obviously, going to my 50s, what could you expect? But I have to say, it's texturizing well. My scalp is healthy, it's growing, it's really maintaining well. So I will be able to clip on these extensions pretty well. So all extensions don't work well for every type of hair. I had it done professionally done. I went to a salon. I love when they put the little, clip-ons for vacation. It gives you a nice little highlight around your face area. It does its job. Obviously, once you remove the hair extensions, your hair looks thinner and less. So it's drastic. Having your own extensions at home, placing your own extensions on your own comfort, it's actually a learning experience, trial and error. Once you master it, it feels so good. You style it and you put it together and it looks good. So right now, my hair is ready. I put some dry shampoo. What you need is, that's all you need. Big teeth, comb everything else. So right now I have nothing. This is all my hair and just prepping it. Big teeth is good because it helps not flatten it. You don't want to have that flat. And then once your extensions are on, you could actually, use a big teeth comb to style. Okay, so now that I did do a little bit of readiness, I will talk about the product. So it's Full Shine. Thank you so much for reaching out and trusting me to talk about your products on my channel. I am so backed up with videos. I have so many other reviews I have to really focus. I am getting back at it and 1 or 2 videos a week. So again, this will be a quick review, a demo, step-by-step, not a full-blown demo. I'm not accurate I'm putting these extensions perfect. So I do have to do some off camera just to adjust it. I will do a little bit of styling, but I'll try my best to do as much as demoing that I can. Again, thank you so much to Full Shine for reaching out. So the packaging is nice, so nice. It has everything in here. So nice, shine on, beautiful. It gives you a little bit of step by step. It's all well packed in here. I did pick a shade that will go closest to my hair, natural hair color. My roots, I need to color my hair again. So the roots are kind of growing, but I always have my roots to match the closest to the natural of my hair shade. Now it has all the instructions here, the little pamphlet, Full Shine, everything is all nice. You could scan the barcode here. I think they give you like a barcode for the step-by-step. The barcode is right there. All the girls with those nice hair extensions. Hair extensions give you volume, youth, your makeup looks better, you feel better, and the pictures look nicer. So yes, it's always good to do it before and after. So this is what I look before the hair extensions. 7 pieces, so nicely wrapped. Look at that. 16 inches, a little bit longer than my hair length. I believe I'm 14 inches or a little shorter or longer. So I think it's gonna go well. I don't know. I'm not gonna place every single one. I'll see how the feeling goes, but I am definitely going to show how the whole full set looks on my hair. Thank you again for Full Shine. This is so beautiful. Look, it has a shine. It's like an ombre. Look at that. It has that beautiful tone, and it goes, I think it goes with my hair. So yes, this is going to be a good one, step by step. I feel like hair extensions make people feel happy. Makes people feel happy. We have so many reasons to use hair extensions. In my case it's thinner. My hair is thinner, and I do have hair to grab the extension, so I'm able to do it myself. But there's other ways to do it. You could go to a salon and they could do it for you. Look at that shade, so nice, so beautiful. This like blonde, and then you have like a little darker blonde, and then the highlights, so nice. So this one is 2 pieces, 2 clips, and then it has another 2 clip. I do like to stick with the 2 clip. Then they have the 2 clip, but it's closer because this one is more for here. So that one I'm definitely going to use. And then there's 2 pieces of each. I love the shade. Let's see how this shade goes with my hair. So now they have the one that is the 4 piece. That one is mostly here in the bottom. I'm gonna see if I try just like one of these, and then I'll go to the 2 piece, and I think I'm gonna leave out 2 other pieces. There's a lot of, so it's 7 pieces in total. I feel like with my type of face structure and hair, I don't think I'm gonna need every single one of them. But when I do go on vacation, I'll take all of them to the hair salon and I have my lady do it, because obviously they're gonna put it on professionally done. When it comes to me doing it myself, it's gonna be just like a quick occasion, a quick run, or I didn't feel like styling my hair. And we're going to do a little bit of styling. So I have this ready. This is from Sutron. This is all over social media. So this is gonna be a quick little styling with the hair extensions. So let's start this demo. So this is gonna be the first piece I'm gonna start with, the 4 clip. It's not that heavy, it's pretty light. This is the first time I'm trying these extensions. So I do like to unclip here until you hear that sound. And then the line is not 100% straight, like I said, but I do like to go under just to get a little bit of that tease. The same thing with this, a little bit of that tease. You want to tease that just for it to stay a little longer. Okay, and then we have the last clip here. Okay, and I did put the hair shampoo and all that, so it kind of gives it a nice grip. So I think it's pretty even. So this is the good thing about the big teeth, that you could actually comb it nicely without ripping it or anything. So now I had to adjust it a little bit. So now I believe it's perfectly, you want to leave some of your hairs here because you want that to blend in. The length is long. And again, it's longer than what I expected. So we need to do probably a little bit of styling, curling. It's going well. So let's go with the next piece. Let's make sure it doesn't come out. So this one is a 2-piece for the sides. And then I have the other 2-piece here. Okay, so this one is the next. I'm going to use these 2 pieces right here. If I were to use another of the 4-piece, it's going to be too much. Too much. And then you just go a little bit higher than the 4-piece. So that goes well there. Because you want to make sure you hide the clips. You don't want to show those clips. Once you style and you curl a little bit, it'll blend in nicely. So it'll look like more of a highlight. So that's the reason why I don't like to put too many extensions. Okay. Let me adjust it a little bit, and then we'll go to the sides, and then we will put this down and start the styling. The shade is going well with mine. It really looks like a highlights. Look at that. So it's definitely an ombre. Look at that. It's dark here, lighter there with the highlights. Really, really beautiful. 100% human hair. I like it so far. So now going with the 2-clip, we have to make sure that this is the one that I'm actually a little bit more careful with, because you don't want to show that part. And this is where it's going to make it fuller on your face area. So you want to make sure you grab, it's going to go a little bit closer to the other one, to grab right here and have enough hair to cover. And I have to say, I do like the 4-piece, because the 4-piece has like, it goes all the way up to your ear. So it gives it like a longer. So it makes it a little bit more fuller for your face area. Okay, so let's see the next 2-piece. And let's see if I do it even. I'm gonna do this one off camera because I really need to make sure this is even and my hairs up here is going down, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I think it's as even as possible. The good thing about having all these baby hairs, it helps style and cover the hairline of these clips. So the clips are really close to my scalp, as close as possible. So it is lighter than what I expected, but it's still beautiful and perfect for the summer, vacation, trip. Oh my goodness, really, really nice, something different, fuller. And now we're going to pull out this part of the hair. That's always kind of scary because you don't know if it's gonna go well. So of course I did the dry shampoo, and then I'm gonna do the styling, but it's covering. It sure is covering, and perfect ombre, because my hair is darker. So the girl that I was talking to, when she reached out to me, she was right. She said, the color of your natural hair, the scalp, is darker. It's going to fall perfectly. So once I do the styling, everything, I'm gonna show the back. I wanna make sure the back doesn't show. And that's when you use this brush softly. So nice. So far, it's combining nice. Let's make sure it goes a little down here. I'm gonna work on my bangs. See how that styles. So pretty. Down below, let's talk about it. Let me know, have you tried hair extensions? Because this is fun. Fun and pretty long. I have to get used to that length, but styling, curling, all that, let's see how it works. So this is without styling. I am loving how it highlights well with my hair. So the highlight is there. It's definitely dark in the top. Natural, my natural bangs. Really, really nice. The highlights right here in the bottom. And I do prefer highlights more like in the front. It opens up your face, youth. I love it. So this is no styling at all. Let's check out the back. The length is a little bit longer than what I expected, but let's talk about the back real quick. I'll do a quick styling, not much because I want it to look like nice and natural. And I want to show you the crown. And let's talk about it down below. Let me know, what do you think about this shade? I think it goes good with my complexion. The youth, the glow, the shine of the hair, so, so nice. Full shine for real. Nice, nice. Thank you again for reaching out. I'm loving it. A little shorter, a little styling. I think it'll be perfect. Oh, the length is fine. I could always do like a curl. It looks like with makeup. It looks really, really nice because I have just a little bit of lippy, a little bit of mascara, my eyebrows. I might need a little bit more blush, a little touch, and I think it's a perfect vacation look. I think this color here, look at this. Look at the shade here. It opens nice. It goes well with the curtain bangs. So pretty. Okay, let's go to the back and let's talk about it. So this is when it becomes really tricky. This is what the back looks like, the crown. I love the way it combines with my natural hair. This is without styling. Really, really nice. It does give it a nice coverage. So this is the final look using my tools. So nice. The shades work perfect with my natural hair color. And then with the it's a perfect ombre. Perfect ombre. My crown looks good. You really can't see it. You could feel it, but you really can't see it. You don't want nobody touching your hair. This is a perfect vacation hair. Beachy, wavy, full, perfect for photos. Nice, nice touch. This is beautiful. Thank you again for watching. Oh, let's talk about the back. So let's go to the back. I'm gonna try to go as much as I can because I only have one way to do this. So look at the length, so nice. Let's go to the back when you're moving your hair, you know, because we always like moving our hair. So this looks nice. I still need to do a little bit more styling in the back. It's hard for me to do it, but when you take this to a hair salon, they will put this on perfect. Look at the flow. It has a nice, nice flow. Talk to me about the crown. I think this is natural. This is beautiful. I really can't turn that much, but it's nice. The length is perfect. Once you do a little bit more curling, the length just goes with your whole aura. Nice, nice. Thank you again for watching down below. Let's talk about it. And I'll see you in my next video. Oh, if you want to know about these hair extensions, you want to know all about this, down below. I have all the information. I do have other videos as well. Check them out. And I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.